Welcome to this Fantaskool tutorial on result management. Adding student results is a core function for tracking academic performance. We'll explore two efficient methods to create result entries: individual subject results and bulk result creation. Step 1. Administrator access. Begin by logging into your Fantaskool administrator account through the landing page to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to results management. From the sidebar navigation, locate and click on the Results button. This opens the comprehensive results management interface where you can create and manage all academic assessments. Two methods for creating results. The system offers two approaches to accommodate different workflow preferences and efficiency needs. Method 1. Individual subject results. Step 3. Create single subject result. Click on the Add Result button to create a result entry for one specific subject. Step 4. Configure result parameters. In the new interface, set up your result details by selecting Academic Year. Choose the current academic session. Class, select the appropriate grade level term. Specify which academic term, e.g. first term, second term. Section. Choose the specific section if your school has multiple sections per class. Subject, select the subject for which you're creating the result. Step 5. Choose your next action. After configuring the parameters, you have two options: save and exit. Click this if you want to create the result structure now and record marks later. Save and record marks. Click this if you're ready to input student scores immediately. Method 2. Bulk result. Creation. Step 3. Access. Bulk creation. For creating multiple subject results simultaneously, click on the Bulk Create button. This time-saving feature is ideal when setting up results for entire classes. Step 4. Set bulk parameters. Configure the bulk creation settings. Class, select the target grade level term. Choose the academic term section. Select the appropriate section. Session, specify the academic session. Subjects, choose multiple subjects from the available list for which you want to create results. Step 5. Create multiple results. After selecting all desired subjects, click the Create Results button to generate result entries for all selected subjects simultaneously. Best practices. Consider these workflow recommendations. Use individual creation when setting up results for specific subjects or assessments. Use bulk creation at the beginning of each term to set up all subject results for a class. Plan your result structure before the term begins to streamline the marking process. Ensure all parameters are correctly selected before creating results. Use save and record marks only when you have student scores ready to input. Workflow benefits. This flexible approach allows you to separate result structure, creation from mark entry, batch create results for efficiency, maintain organized academic records, streamline the assessment process. Whether creating individual subject results or bulk results for entire classes, Fantaskool's result management system provides the flexibility to efficiently organize your assessment structure while ensuring accurate academic record keeping.